The dopey a-holes know what they're talking about.
Not you. With that
I
being
did.
said,
You didn't.
I will entertain a motion to close the public portion. Come on up. You are,
Good evening, Charlie Cradaville. I'm the editor of New Brunswick Today, community news
are
outlet.
you here as a reporter or as a citizen?
I am both.
Go ahead, Charlie.
Thank you, sir. Here to follow up on a concern I raised at your reorganization meeting about Judge Spencer Robbins. If you recall, I raised a concern about a criminal case from 10 years ago. I'm still looking into that, and I did take your advice, and I was able to get a number and did call his office and haven't heard back yet to get his side of the story. But that's come to my attention. There's more concerns, in particular, looking up his record, disciplinary record as an attorney. The Supreme Court in New Jersey has a whole system for attorney discipline. I believe there were two of the lowest form of punishments called an admonition, one from 2005 and one from 2015, or I'm sorry, 2004 and 2015. But much more concerning is a more recent order from our state Supreme Court. This is what's considered a censure. And so I'll just read a little bit from this. In the matter of Spencer B. Robbins, attorney at law, attorney number 0299519181, the disciplinary review board, having filed with the court its decision in DRB 24-090, recommending that Spencer B. Robbins of Woodbridge, who was admitted to the bar of this state in 1981, should be censured for violating RPC 1.15d, parenthesis, failing to comply with the record-keeping requirements of Rule 1:21-6 and RPC 8.1b, parenthesis, failing to cooperate with disciplinary authorities. And, you know, it goes on from there. But this was signed by Stuart Rabner, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, and the Clerk of the Supreme Court, the 3rd of December, just last year, 2024. So I didn't realize it at the time when I was bringing up what I brought up at your reorganization meeting, but this is a very timely concern looking into Judge Robbins' record, how he was appointed, the vetting that was done, and I think since he has taken the bench, there's now a new matter that's also of concern. So I wanted to get your side, Mayor, hear you and the council talk about how you vetted Spencer Robbins and what's being done, if anything.
We submitted the name to the assigning judge, and the assigning judge passed it. So you know, whatever your issue is with our judge is your issue. He's done a commendable job here. You know, I assume you might have lost a case. He might have represented somebody on the other side of the aisle from you, because it seems awful personal for you.
You assume wrong. I've actually never met the man. I
just recommend you keep calling him.
Okay, well, I'll give him another call, but I think that at this point, reasonable people should be concerned. And if, you know, one of the municipal judges being censured by the state Supreme Court is not cause for concern, then I think we've got an even bigger problem. And so I'm just bringing it to all your attention because you're the governing body that has appointed him to this position of power in the borough where he's overseeing lots of cases. You may think he's doing a commendable job, and whatever that's based on, I'm sure you have your factors you consider.
Hey, Jim, if you're going to talk, take it out in the hall.
Just from the public perspective, this is concerning that this person with this record is a judge.
Listen, go right ahead. You got 5 minutes to say what you want to say, and then away we go.
Sure. I guess I was hoping to prompt some discussion from the mayor and council here. And if anybody wants to.
This is a public portion. It's not a press conference.
Fair enough. I'll just say I'm here to bring this to your attention. I want to thank the person who brought this to my attention after I spoke at your January 1 meeting. Someone called me, and I encourage people to call me with tips and information about things that need to be investigated, need to be exposed, need to be lifted up and raised up. So I give my phone number right now to anybody who wants it, 732-993-9697. Encourage the council to give me a call if you want to talk about this matter or anything else. Same to you, Mayor, and same to the general public at New Brunswick Today. We're here to help. We are community news outlet, and this is our community. So thank you for hearing me out, and hope that we can keep an open line of communication.
Okay. Anything else? Anyone else? Take a motion.
Make a motion to close the public?